Hi and welcome back. This is our 20th video for the 52-week Blender Challenge. We're doing a small little boat. So yeah, let's get started. All right, let's delete this and Shift A. We're gonna do a top-down approach, at least to start. Plane. Go to edit mode and we're gonna round the edges out here. Go with beveling. Nothing really happens. You're gonna go here to bevel and go to vertices. Then increase the width and increase the segments. That's pretty good. And that's that. Let's see. We want to increase the segment cuts here as well. So do a subdivide twice, and then we're going to do the same thing to everything here. All right. No, let's do another one. Okay, that's pretty good. Press 1 right here. Sorry, not 1, but select this vertex and then do proportional editing. G, X, like that. And that's a pretty good boat shape. All right. Now let's select everything here and go to face mode, right? Press I. That's pretty good. S. Sorry, take proportional off. S. That's good. Okay. And there's no real break here in geometry like that. That's nice. Select everything. We're going to go up just a little bit like this. And then we're going to just select everything but the faces here. All right. And let's go up. Press 3. Press 1, sorry, for the side view. And go, let's go this way. Right, there we are. Actually, that was one. Sorry about that. I'm referencing drawings I have sketched up. E, 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 and then another E. All right, sweet. Now do X-ray mode, and we're gonna do like a slope right here. So select all of these, make sure this is on. Let's actually hide these for now, but go to H, select these, then G, X with proportional editing on. Alright, that's a pretty good shape. Now, X-ray mode, get out of that, Control H, and as you can see, it's pretty evenly distributed. Let's do some more cuts here and here, and then Control R here, Control R here. All right, that's pretty good overall. Select the edges right here, press 7. Oh. Select it right here and right here. Like that. X. Sweet, stop that. Now let's do some modeling for this. Sorry, some extrusions. So we're gonna do the top, the middle, and the bottom. Select face mode. Shift Control Plus. Let's go all around here. The same thing for everything. Actually, no. We're gonna do this one top first. So extrude along normals. Just enough. Okay. Then we're gonna do the same over here. Shift Control Plus. Go all around. Just like this. And then, yeah, we should leave the bottom part right here alone. No, let's add some thickness to it. All right, it's not too bad. I like that. Let's see, tab. We're gonna add like a rudder piece right here. So Shift A, do a cube. Make it small. SY. SC. Make it thin, and then GC. Press 3. That's good. Press 1. X, and bring it here like this. And then we can cut this into like 2. Make it a little more make it a little more, what's it called? I guess make it just look a little better or something like that. Give some like texture, physical texture to get out of that. And then we are gonna add some extras here. So go back to edit mode here. Press 1. This is where we want it. All right, so go to face mode. Select these faces. Press 7. All right, we can do SY 0. Nope. SX 0. Nope. SC 0. SC 0. Nope. Okay, so I guess go to edge mode, press these 2 edges like that. SC 0. Nope. SY 0. Nope. SX 0. Yeah, that's what we want. Then we're going to do the same thing for these 2 right here. SX 0. And then press the faces right here. I'm going to go up just a tiny bit. And then we're going to extrude on the sides. Along the normals. Okay. Sweet. I guess while we're here, we should do the part for this, and we're gonna want to cut this maybe just a bit. No, make it its own piece. So press 1, Shift A, mesh, cube. All right, like this. Let's break this in half. So press 1, no, press 3, yeah. And let's see, hide everything else besides that little cube. And then tab edit mode, add a face. Sorry, add a line, split it into. We're gonna X-ray mode this, cut this part off, delete the faces. Add an X-ray mode right here. Sorry, not an X-ray, I mean, I am saying the wrong things all day. Alright. Y. That's good. That's what we want. Leave it like that. Now let's add everything else back. Get out of X-ray mode. Press 1. Go to edge mode here. X-ray. Like this. We only want Y mode. Okay. This one. Extrude. Okay, that's pretty good. Bring this all down just like this. Vertice mode instead. I think that's what's getting me here. Okay. Alright. That looks pretty good. Press 1. Now let's add some like little bolts to everything. So get out of X-ray mode, select this, press Control A, all transforms, and we're going to do this to everything. Control A, all transforms, Control A, all transforms, and we're just going to add little pellets here that make it look like things are bolted. So Shift A, mesh, sphere. Press 3, G, like this. All right, and 1, like that. Okay, then Shift D, C, and it's like this. All right, these two. Press 3, like that. All right, and then do a few more here. Press 1. Actually, add an array to make this a little faster, and we're going to do this with, yeah, let's do one at a time. Two, 3. All right. Bring it down like this. Array. Let's see. All right. Good. Now select this, Shift D, but delete the array for this. Okay. Press 3. Let's see, GX1 like this. Press 1. Well, looks pretty good. Okay. Then GY. Press 3. 1. Okay. Shift D X like this. Then Shift D X like that. This one selected. GY. GY. Okay. That's pretty good. Now select all these three, Shift D, C, GY, GX, press 1, GY, GY, GX. Honestly, one way we could really solve this a little faster would be with an array and a curve modifier, but I've noticed, or I've done some testing, and for some reason, at least for me, if you try to create a path from a plane, from edges, from, like, let's say this, like we copy the edges from around here and then put it here, and then convert that into a curve, and then try to do the array with the curve modifier, it gives you a bunch of issues. So that's why we're doing the manual way. Okay. That's pretty good. Okay, now let's select everything here. Actually, GC, bring it down right about here. Let's delete that one. Okay. Okay. Add all this, Control J. Oh, sorry. We should probably apply those modifiers here. All right, good. Now Control J. We're going to treat it as 1. Nice. And we're going to do a mirror modifier for this. Across the y-axis. And we're going to do this based on this right here. And this comes up, and you're all good. Now, let's see, go to tab mode here, select just this one, your X-ray mode. So this one, Shift D. Oh, sorry. Go to tab mode, apply your mirror modifier first, then tab, then select this one, Shift D, then P by selection, yeah, P by selection, right tab, select this right here, press 3, and then it's going to be G like this, then 1, then G, X, all the way right here. Go to Object, Transform, no, Origin Geometry, Shift, Control A, all transforms. No, Shift A. But let's just go set origin to geometry. Alright, press 3. Get out of X-ray mode, G, Y, like this. Then we're going to do an array modifier and pretty much just do what we did before. So Y is 1, sorry, Y is 3, 0, and then GY, that's good. And then another array modifier here, but this one's going to be on the C axis, 1, -2. -2.5, -3. Okay, that's good. Like this, and then we're just gonna apply. Now we got our ribbing, or what makes it look like, hey, you know, this was built pretty well. We could always add some here, but let's not. I think that's pretty much it for our boat. We can add some extra ribbing around here on the top if you'd like, but that's it. Then apply this as well. Since this is like 20 minutes long, we might as well add some coloring to this. So yeah, it's like this. New. Please don't crash. Please don't crash. Let's see. We're gonna do a gold. We're gonna do metallic. Roughness lowered. Let's go so we can actually see the colors here. And then add to that. Make it a nice wood color. Wood is just a dark brown. Like this. All right. Let's make the surface here a bit metallic, just to give it a darker color. And then same thing, we're gonna add material. We're gonna make it second material, and for these we're gonna add a gold. So there we have our little boat. And again, so long as you learn this process, use some references, you can make pretty nice boats. Maybe make a boat model, or yeah, boat model for like a 2D, 3D game, not 3D game, sorry. All right, that's pretty much it. I'm a little tired. Until next time, and hope this helps someone.